Model 2021 LDV Maxus deliver 9 LUX 2.0 ULEZ compliant bargain 60k miles body, white, panel van mileage, 60,623 engine, 1,996 CCSC20M163Q6A transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine has been taken apart for repair. All part are in the van gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, air conditioning, cruise control, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119